Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming super slim budget king smartphone of 2026, Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, gets first look design reveal ahead of official launch. According to the preliminary data, Samsung Galaxy A57 images reveal a shockingly thin frame and lavender hue. The phone's design was revealed through official certification images filed with TENAA. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The new upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 surfaced on China's TENAA certification database nearly a week ago, revealing its full phone specifications and characteristics. As is common with early TENAA listings, the initial entry did not include design images. That has now changed. The new listing has been updated with official smartphone images, offering the first clear look at the Galaxy A57's design. Samsung's mid-range phones usually play it safe, but the upcoming Galaxy A57 is looking to stir things up by trimming the fat. New reports claim that the new Samsung Galaxy A57 is also expected to be slimmer than the previous generation. The new TENAA listing indicates that a thickness of 6.9 mm, down from 7.4 mm on its predecessor, the Galaxy A56. According to a tech tipster Abhishek Yadav on X, the new Galaxy A57 is expected to be just 6.9 mm thick, matching the rumored size of the flagship Galaxy S26 basic model. The main point is that Samsung is going for a slimmer look. The same thickness also surfaced on TENAA's website last week, along with a bunch of other specs for the phone. TENAA photos show the same vertical camera layout and key island buttons, now paired with what appears to be a metal frame. It retains a flat front and flat back, along with Samsung's raised key island on the right side, that houses the power and volume buttons. According to the latest TENAA listing data, the new Galaxy A57 features a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with FHD+ resolution. The device is powered by an octa-core processor, clocked at up to 2.9 GHz, which Geekbench results suggest could be Samsung's own new Exynos 1680 chipset. The device is listed in at least two storage configurations: 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage option, and 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage option. It will run the latest OS Android 16 with One UI 8 user interface. Industry sources claim that Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy A57 by late February, ahead of the launch of the Galaxy S26 series. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.